What if I told you 95% of your day runs on outdated mental autopilot? You hit snooze without thinking, blitz through your inbox on reflex, even zone out during dinner with the kids, all while your brain replays the same worn-out routine. Today, I'm going to share 3 lightning-fast mindset tweaks that reboot your defaults, and if you stick around for the bonus 4th hack, you'll never look at willpower the same way again. No fluff, no marathon pep talks, just simple shifts you can do right now that feel so good you'll crave the next one. First up, the 3-second launch pad. Here's the jaw dropper. 92% of your best ideas and intentions fizzle out in hesitation. That's right, most of your "I'll do it later" moments die before you even try. The cure? A 3-2-1 countdown straight into action. The moment you think, "I should start," immediately say 3, 2, 1, and do the thing. Whether it's opening that email, standing up to stretch, or jotting down one goal. Each time you beat the clock, you trigger a tiny burst of momentum, and your brain gets hooked. You'll find yourself racing to recreate that mini dopamine hit again and again. Momentum's heating up. Now let's reprogram what actually sparks your behavior. Studies show 80% of our habits follow external cues, not raw willpower. You can exploit that. Pick one nagging habit, like mindless scrolling, and swap its cue. Instead of reaching for your phone when you feel bored, place a sticky note on your desk that reads, "Stand up and stretch." The instant you see it, you stretch. Eyes up, chest forward. That physical shift isn't just relief for your back. It signals to your brain, progress time. This simple cue swap hacks your environment to push you toward action without a second thought. Great, your triggers are primed. Now let's lock in a win that reshapes how you see yourself. Here's the power move. 2-minute identity shifts. Choose any small action you can complete in under 120 seconds. 1 push-up, 1 paragraph of writing, 1 sales call draft. Committing to just 2 minutes breaks the illusion that "I'm not ready." You do it. You're that person who follows through. Before your coffee's even cold, you've already proven you can deliver. That tiny win rewires your self-belief. You start thinking, "I'm someone who gets things done," and that new identity drives you to bigger wins. That buzz is nice, but you can ramp it up instantly with dopamine micro-celebrations. Here's the eye-opener. Your brain rewards any win, big or small, if you celebrate it. After each 2-minute action, give yourself a quick fist pump, whisper, "Heck yes," or tap a fun emoji sticker on your laptop. That brief celebration floods you with pride and satisfaction, cementing the behavior in your neural pathways. In the time it takes to blink, you're rewarding progress and conditioning your brain to chase that next win. It's like sprinkling confetti on every little victory. Feeling that jolt? Let's make it social. Accountability is the hidden turbocharger most people miss. Simply telling one trusted person your goal boosts follow-through by 65%. Shoot a quick text to a friend or partner each morning with your one thing for the day. That ping of confirmation, "I got your back," feels as rewarding as any personal win. You'll find yourself looking forward to their thumbs up or cheer. It turns solo effort into a shared adventure. Plus, knowing someone else is watching makes you less likely to bail when distractions creep in. When you need extra fire under your seat, invoke the public loss trigger. Humans hate looking bad more than they love looking good. In fact, we move 300% faster to avoid public embarrassment than to chase praise. So announce a small, specific challenge, like "I'll read 5 pages of this book every night for a week," in a group chat or on your story. Now you're playing in a higher stakes arena. You can't let your crew down. That slight pang of "everyone's watching" lights a rocket under you when motivation starts to lag. One last piece. Tie all these wins together with a nightly success snapshot. Research shows writing down one small achievement before bed raises confidence by 33% in 2 weeks. Spend just 30 seconds jotting in your Notes app or recording a quick voice memo. Today and fill in your micro win. You'll drift off feeling proud, and that positive residue primes you for tomorrow. Before long, this simple ritual becomes the cornerstone of your routine, a self-reinforcing loop of action, celebration, and reflection. Each of these hacks, quick launch, cue swap, 2-minute wins, micro celebrations, single-person accountability, public loss challenges, and nightly snapshots, feeds the next with small doses of dopamine and social reward. They're so easy and feel so good that you'll build unstoppable momentum. Now I want to hear from you. Which mini hack blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments and spark someone else's breakthrough today.